morning everyone, and so ito na, Watson's Fun Run, 10 km tayo mamaya. Time check, it's 2 a.m. So maagang preparation for this, kaya abangan nyo. Ayan. Good luck sa amin at more to come pa. And ayan, nagalingan namin. You know, bossing! Uy, grabe! Vlogger! Let's go!
Hello po, kuya.
Uy, grabe!
Outfits ko!
Vlogger!
Una ka na! Convoy ako.
Parang kaya, alam ba? Ano? Nagbe-venue sila doon.
Ano?
16. Pero wala akong proper training. Durog yung ano ko, yung mga ko sa paa.
Bang, this is it. Pansit.
Let's go. Team Pink.
Let's go. Oh, ano?
We have Celine Plus, we have Biodesic for kids, Nutri.
Let's go, alay lakad. Alay lakad, boy. Let's go. Ano to? MOA to Antipolo. Ano dyan?
Tulog pa lang kayo, tatakbo na kami.
Let's go. Let's go, Joy. 4. 7 km. Let's go. Last 3. Finish. Ano lang. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Fuck. Yeah. Woo. Let's go.
Let's go guys! Congratulations! Last 20 meters! Come on! Congratulations po! Don't forget to visit our race village for hydration and marami pa tayong freebies. Don't forget guys.
I'm done. Ha! First time. First time. Let's go. Ah. Let's go. First medal pa rin. Let's go.
Sir, congratulations, sir!
Okay na.
Let's go!
Thank you po. Ah. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Oh. Thank you, thank you. Let's go. It's MJ. Solid pare. Let's go. Yan yan. Sing, 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 sing. Thank you, Lord. Let's go, let's go. Oh, talaga na. Bump yan, oh. Bump ko na yan. Bang. SJ.
49.
SJ. All goods pare, all goods. Tangina pare.
Pare, PR.
Let's go.